Did you know that 87% of the people mix their salad dressing completely the wrong way? You too? Okay, let's be honest, that's just my own personal statistic. Google knows nothing about it. So, what is it that most people get wrong with their salad? They pour the olive oil over the leaves first, and only then do they add the vinegar. And what happens when the oil comes first? The oil wraps itself around the salad leaves like a raincoat. Just think of a non-stick Teflon pan. If you add vinegar after that, it simply pearls off that film of oil and slides straight to the bottom of the bowl. The result? The salad tastes greasy at the top and sour at the bottom. Why on earth do we all do this? My first theory: viscosity tricks the eye. Oil flows slower in a more controlled way. When we are seasoning, we grab the oil first because we want to create a basis. Only then do we splash the vinegar on top for freshness. To our minds, that feels logical. It's like packing the heaviest suitcase into the car trunk first and then putting the light bags on top. And then I have a psychological theory. Just listen to how smoothly the phrase oil and vinegar rolls off your tongue. It's one effortless flow. But try saying it the other way around. Vinegar and oil. In opera, that's a staccato. Choking before you even eat the salad? Therefore, you have to fool your brain. The rule is vinegar and salt first, and only then, at the end, the oil.